What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Back with another unboxing, man. It's been it's going up like 2020 again, man. We starting to hit on some, but not all. But either way, we gonna do it. Let's do this unboxing. This unboxing is kind of unique. I already know what I'm gonna do with this one, but I'll still ask y'all opinion anyway. You know what I mean? So regardless. Let's go to the unboxing. Right here, Nikes. Of course, you know. So, here's the size, y'all. Here's the size. There you go, focus. Look at that. So I'm usually a 9.5, 10. So this is a 9.5, but it's a 9.5 in a women. It's a women's shoe. It's a woman's shoe, but obviously, you can get a woman's shoe in a man's size, and they're kind of like interchangeable. You just got to know the size change or whatever. So I was such in a hurry to just enter this draw. This was actually a draw. So there's been a lot of draw on sneaker apps lately. The draw's been they give you 10 minutes to join. You have to put your information in, or if your information is saved, you're good to go. You enter, and it's like, okay, we picked you. All right, we're gonna charge your card. So this one was a draw. Join, and I'm trying to hurry up to get the right size. I picked 9.5. This is a woman's shoe. 9.5 in women's, 8 in men's, and that's not my size. However, these are a shoe that I wasn't intending on keeping anyways, but tell me if I'm crazy, y'all. Should I keep it or should I not? You know, they going anyway. So let's know this. No, it sounds crazy, but anyway, yeah. I'm gonna take them both out real quick. Boom. So you got your dunks. You got your dunks, man. You got your dunks. You got your dunk lows. What we got? Yeah. Yep. Let's call them dunk lows, but on the app they're like I think they're like say something about fluorescent green or something green, but to me these look like a turquoise kind of, not like a highlighter so much, but it's actually a cool little colorway. I'm not gonna lie, and I haven't had check that out, man. Check that out. So you know, if you had the lows on the HA1s, it'd be different, but they're similar. So the dunks, I haven't had a dunk in so long that it made me like kind of reminisce on back in the day in high school. I had a pair of burgundy. I think I had a pair of I definitely had a pair of burgundy dunks, lows, white and burgundy. They were hard. Them ones are hard. So and I also had I think some dark green ones, dark green and white ones, like dark green, white, burgundy, white. Well, I didn't know what I had in mind, and that's back in the days when you could just go to the mall, you see something you like, you could afford it, you just grab it. Now you can join draws and compete with all these bots and people and all sort of stuff. So anyway, that was a shoe that I was glad I copped. So it just made me reminisce on these, and a lot of people else don't know like the difference between Air Jordan 1s and AJ1s and dunks. They're similar, but they're not the same. They are not the same. So anyway, basically you got that tongue right there, white. Got the color, got the colorway, all leather. This leather is plush. Most dunks leather are real plush. The inside is just a little lighter green there, and you got the bottom sole, which is that nice little turquoise or whatever kind of green you want to call this. And then it just comes together to be a great shoe, man. It's the part where I know the other sneaker channels play the music and and give different camera angles, but we ain't got time to do all that over here. You know what I'm saying? So Here's the other one. Let me know what y'all think about. Let me know what y'all think about these dunks. Should I have not parted ways with them? Because I'm parting ways with them. They got a new home already. We just got to get them there. What I didn't, I just noticed while I'm doing this with y'all. On here we do unboxings. We get them out. So like I open them right in front of y'all. There's some little treads right here. You can burn them. Yeah, I wouldn't say burn them off. You could just cut them off a little bit. When I was opening it, I just saw something. Where was it at? That's like, I don't know if that's oh yeah. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm my finger on it, like right there it go. Like what? Come on, man. Come on. Little paint. Y'all better not cost me some ends. So anyway, another little detail right there, like the little Nike right in the center right there. That's dope. They might have them on it. No, they don't have them on it. I don't know if they have them on the AJ1s like that. But anyway, dunk lows. Your boy made a knucklehead mistake. If I wanted to keep these, I wouldn't have been able to fit them. But guess what? I think it's a very nice colorway. It just, with the shoes I have, all the shoes I got, you know, I gotta be responsible. I can't keep them all. So I'm barely wearing the ones I have, so, or get an opportunity to, I should say. Oh, nothing to point out about these laces though. They're like you know, they're not the original like white flat laces. They actually have like some kind of, I don't even know what you call those, but they got some kind of like beads or something in there, like little subtle little, it's uniform too, little circles or dots in the laces, unique laces. Like, so you throw some white laces in here, some all whites, it'll be different than these. These are white, but they have little subtle, kind of like, I don't even want to call it glue drop, but it's little tiny dots, man. You know, laces are really unique. So I guess that's the way you can tell if they counterfeit or not. But anyway, dunks got here. Let me know what y'all think. Should I have kept them? Even if I cut them, I couldn't have worn them. So, you know, it is what it is. Or do I, you know, do I just drop them? I don't think it's no, I don't do stuff like it. It's a cool little colorway. You just gotta figure out what you want to wear with these, but that's it. Anyway, till next time. Again, good to see y'all again. Take care of yourselves. Long live D-Mac.